Hi, welcome to Arclinx flagship. We're just discussing something on Telegram, a nice image of Void Linux, and it has been a while indeed since I've been, well, let's say distro hopping, right? You won't see me distro hop, right? It's just Arclinx, but this has been a while since I've seen it, so why not go and download it? So Void Linux, because it has a great idea, this voidlinux.org, but let's read it. Let's download first and then read everything. What should I do? Download installable, paste live, verify a file. I would like to have something already. What's this? All live images. Oh my god. So choosing is losing, I guess. Here USB RP live muzzle, whatever it is. Here I have something already that I can relate to. So 2011 1109. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna need this one. Okay, that's coming down. Voila. And so, a home, right? What Void is a general purpose operating system based on a monolithic Linux kernel. This package allows you to quickly install to quickly install, update, remove software. It's provided in binary packages and so on. Is an independent distribution developed. Void is not a modification of an existing distribution. It has its own package manager. Build system have been written from scratch, and it's another way of thinking. It's not actually really in here, or I missed it by glancing at it. But that's not the way to go. Documentation. But it's a special kind of Linux system that lets you install systems in some kind of, I don't know, I'm probably gonna say it wrong, some kind of sandbox kind of feeling that you have control over the changes, the updates, and have a quick rollback if something goes wrong. I thought that was one of the key things, but never mind, my memory is not that good, it seems, anymore. But let's have a look at it, right? So templates, clone the templates, void Linux. Optical drive, choose a disk file, void Linux, open it up, and then Control F. We can do this and that, and off we go. Input data signature and so on. Wrong EFI signature. Welcome to Void. Thank you. You know, it doesn't matter on what Linux system you are, and I'm not into comparing this distro against that distro. I am just leaving you all free and do whatever you like. I'm already happy if you're on, Linux. Now what? Now what? Okay. Not okay. So, sure, Control F, I guess, and then minimalizing, and the browser is gone, is it? Did I close my browser? Because I don't know what to do, right? Control F, maximizing it again. Do I have a browser in here? Internet, okay. How do I install Void? Nothing in there. Void Linux. Okay, go. Download packages now in documentation. live installers, window managers. Actually good to read a little bit about all the specific things, right? Mutter is there, Nemo is there, and then OpenBox, PC Man of M, Qt they've called, and then Matthias Caja as file manager. Gives you a nice overview of all the particular applications that the desktops have, but of course we know that we want to get it installed. Prepare installation media, that's all cool. Partitioning notes, well actually I would just want to install it. Is there an installer? That's a good question, right? Installation guide, void installer. Once a live image has booted, log in as root with password void Linux and run. Okay, you go there. It's always different, right? Always, everywhere. Figure it out. Follow the tutorial. The same columns, right? Follow the tutorial. So, should I do login as root, which I'm probably not, and I should be void, or I typed that wrong, I think. Let's see if that was C, and then void Linux, enter. So I am root. Who am I? Oops. ZXB is not there. That's the problem for me. Load key is not active. Okay, cool. So set xkb map. I think it's map. I just do. Yay! I've Mazerti. Right. Right. And then void. Well, I wanted to type who am I, right? So I'm a root. Void. Okay, no autocomplete. And I'm so used to autocomplete. Alright, we're off. We're off. Welcome to Void Linux, a simple and minimal Linux distribution made from scratch, built from source package 3 available as your alternative binary package system. Okay, we need to read everything, right? This is time to learn. Keyboard, please. Asserti. Enter. Network. Guess so. Sure, so DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Basically, it's going to shout on your network, who is here to give me an IP address and a subnet mask and a gateway and a DNS, and then it works. Packages from ISO or base system only. Don't know what it is, but let's not download things. So this is void locale. And I want to go to, is this, yes, this is what we do on Arch Linux. We say ENGB or ENUS. Here you are. That's what we normally do. Root password is a very complicated password. And bootloader, SDA is cool. Use a graphical terminal for the bootloader. Sure. File system. What happened? Partition disks. Okay. Alright. CF disk will be executed for BIOS systems. That's what we have. MBR or GPT tails are supported to use GPT and BIOS grub enabled. Don't need to read that. Okay, cool. So GPT is not what we have. This is a virtual box and we have DOS. And this you have to figure out yourself, I guess. So 30.5 primary type. Linux was already okay. Not gonna go for the swap and all the misery, right? Yes. Just a test, right? I guess I need to make it bootable. And then again, right. And then, oh, right is yes, I think. Yes. And then quit. Let's have a look. Can we do that again? Let's see. No, we can't. So please specify the mount point. I guess he wants to know this. Do you want to create it? Yes. And hey, file system type none. Change. So please specify the mount point for device SDA1. I guess it's this, no? Do you want to create a new file system? Yes. Sure. We'll see. I find it strange that FS type is none. So I'm guessing I'm doing something wrong. X4. Let's type device SDA1. See what we get. Nope. Last time, now I continue. This should be, I think, what I would do, right? So change, done, back, done, start installation, we'll see. Warning, data and so on. Yeah, that's true. And off we go. Copy live image to target root file system. So basically it's what we get, right? This is the squash file system. Every distro, well, maybe not every, but many distros have a compressed file system ready that they unpack. That's basically what happens, right? And later on you decide to install more stuff and so on. And during Calamares we click some more things and we install more stuff like GIMP, Inkscape or Steam or 100 packages, right? Important part here, always takes a little bit long. He's building stuff in the boot folder if you want to know. Void Linux has been installed successfully. Do you want to reboot? That's cool. Okay, there he is. Now I have to tell him to boot from the first hard disk found by BIOS. Hey, Grub is there. Linux 5.3, 5.9 or something like that. Okay. We'll see what happens if we update. Ouch. Root. Yep. xfce apology agent. Okay. So basically this is your Arch Linux look. It's the standard xfce, and yeah, it's not nice. But we have a system that works. And one of the things I would like to do, as usual, is test the Sardi and the server icons. They are created for Linux, right? So source, well, maybe Sardi or Sardi icons. You see my keyboard is already wrong, right? So system, where do we get that? System, we have different workflow things. Here it is, settings manager, and then the keyboards, here's the keyboards, layout US, that's cool. Use default. Oh no, this can stay, but it's the English thing that's a problem for me. So adding something to it, can I add something? I need to say get rid of that before I can add something Dutch, Belgian. Okay, and this is one up, and English OS is removed, and we don't see any QWERTY Azerty stuff. So nah, that's bad link. The SourceForge link is what you should give dear Google. First accept. Always go to this one. I don't trust the green button, never trusted it. Download it from here. Problems downloading, remember, well, just one, Brazil. These days they don't put it on other servers anymore, are they? Right mouse click, can we extract it? We don't have anything to extract it, right? There is no application, right mouse click to extract it. Warning, you're using the root account. True, 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 true. Warn, close. We need to unpack things. Control T. Let's have a look. NeoFetch is probably not going to be installed. How do I install elements? I do not know. So Internet, Firefox, void Linux, and then install packages. Let's read it. XBPS package manager. So okay, XBS, so this thing is going to go here because I'm gonna need it. Okay, XBPS. Oh, that's it. Ooh, why is it not found? Use to update. Okay, how about the XBPS just install -su? There you go. So is there no bash? Is there no, oh my god, arrow up, it's not nice. XBPS, I'm guessing install NeoFetch is gonna work like this. Yay, NeoFetch. Is that the logo? Okay. Ah yeah, I see it now, void in black. Yeah, got it. What I wanted to see, oops, arrow up is not working. So I need to type install. There is something xfce. Oh my god. Right, Control T. Or shall we do a bash completion first? Maybe they have it. Bash completion. That would be nice. Ah. Oh. XBPS install. So bash completion does not exist. That's a bummer. Then this is back on Linux. I want to install a package -s xfce4, and it's called no. It's actually a Thunar package I want. Thunar archive plugin. Right? Thunar archive plugin. Do they have that? XBPS install Thunar. Well, that's installed, guy. So that you know. No, it doesn't know. Bash completion is not there. Archive plugin. Let's hope it's called the same. Yes. Now, in order to make it work, I do quit of Thunar. I open it up again. I have a download. It's here. It's there. Haha. Oh, no suitable archive manager. Okay, so it needs more stuff. Oh my god. It needs things like extracting. Okay. Knowledge. Where is the knowledge? The knowledge is on Linux. GitHub. And actually Linux D GitHub. Linux D GitHub. Any of them is good, is okay. It's gonna be in 200s at the bottom. These are all packages to extract. Okay, so sudo pacman. What was it again? Let's scroll up. XBPS. Okay, XBPS install, and now, which one first, right? File ruler isn't found. Okay, so it's gonna be a lot of typing. Install zip. Let's see, zip is installed. Is that already helpful for me or not? But let's just, why these arrows up are not working. xbps install. So an RAR sounds also a good idea, but that's not found. xbps install unzip. So that's there. Is that enough for me? Thunar minus quit. Then open Thunar again. Download, right mouse click, extract. No suitable archive manager found. Still a problem. Shall we do it with extracting? So that I can go over all these things and we'll maybe cap extract, I don't know. But there is also another solution. The knowledge is on Uglinks. I do a nano xfce. Scroll all the way down. Right, this thing. And if we want to extract a tar gz, now it's hidden behind it. A tar gz. Tar gz is tar xzf. All right. Tar xzf, and then whatever you want, but I cannot. Well, I cannot do autocomplete. So tar xzf Sardi. Oh my god, Sardi, and then icons, and then 20.11-1.tar.gz. There we go. Okay, cool. We have our stuff. Delete. Control A. Control X. We're still root. We're not supposed to be root. Well, root. 2 cents. Root and root, right? Sounds similar. Is not. So create folder.icons. Control V. Off we go to maybe also install something else. Have an idea. What if sudo pacman, right? xfce. Sorry, xb. What was it again? Jesus. xbps install, and then I had the idea to do the xfce for the whisker thing. How's it exactly called? Sudo pacman minus s xfce for plugin, I think. Plugin whisker, or is it just whisker? Whisker menu plugin is the other way around. So is it here as well? Whisker menu plugin. Because that would be fun, right? We can actually say to the properties of the panel, oh my god, that's not what I wanted. Panel preferences, horizontal, lock panel. Okay, do not lock panel. Up, down here. Now you can lock the panel. And I hate the second panel. Number 2 minus remove, so that one is gone. We can make a dock with blank, with latte, or with the panel of xfce. But we have already this. Then we again some fun. Where is the whisker menu? Whisker menu, add. It's now here. Always in the wrong place, right? And then we want to edit the panel. If we do this, We cannot move it yet, but move it here. That the one is being removed. Yes, we want to remove you. And now we have this look. That's better. That's more me, right? And you remember all the settings are just settings. You can do that on any Linux system, changing things around. Think one of these things. No. Background opacity. Ooh, nice, right? A little bit too much. And it's just playing around with settings. We don't really like that particular icon. Well, I don't like that particular icon. So you can have a look at other icons, but none of them are good. Here are other icons, right? Status icons, stock icons, all icons. And choose one that you like. Anything is better than this one. Haha, face cool. Okay, close. So, possibilities. Where are the Sardi icons? Appearance. Oh, we need themes, right? Sardi arc, close. What do we have? We have this look now. If we click here, all elements will be there. System, this is an important look. All good. And we're having fun. Right? This is Void Linux. And we can have a nice look here. Now users, there is in xfce not something to create a user. We're still root, right? We're still root, which means Arco Linux create user. Will Google give me the article? How to add in the forum? There is a video we can add, and here's the article. Okay. Ah, I did not add it to the code. No problem. How to add a new user in Plasma. Those guys have something really nice. They have actually a GUI, graphical user interface, to do a thing, right? Still not what I want. Users and groups, of course, I can get here. I can go somewhere else. But I still have another way to do it. And Arclinux D, create user. And of course, we're not there. So Control A, Arco Linux D. Boom. Then Google says there. Remember that we have an Arco Linux and Arch Linux way of doing things, and creating a user is in phase 2. Basically, I'm copy pasting this code. Control C, that's gonna be good. Where's my terminal? I deleted my terminal. Hey, let's get termite in, right? Let's get termite in. xpps, was that it? Install termite. Oh, no termite for me. So be it. But can I do a Control Shift V? User adds Eric. rfkill does not exist. Okay, then we do Control C, Control Shift V, move. Oh, you can't move back. Okay, what's happening? So this one is out. -s. Take bin bash please, and my name is Eric. Group N. Huh? User add group N does not exist. Oops, 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 oops. Groups. Root. Okay. What do we have here? Is there something like this? Okay, let's read. Group, group, group. G shadow here. Doers there. Shadow here. ls, where am I? cd etc cat group, can't autocomplete, so g shadow. There we are. All kind of groups. Users is there. And when I do this, storage is there. Wheel, not sure we have wheel we have there, and then network is there as well. Video is there. Audio is there. So why is he complaining? In the group users, do we have users? Here it is, users. So we think, if I delete this guy, that would work. -s. I don't know if I'm on ZSH or on something else actually. Must have made a typo. Password Eric. It's gonna be a very difficult one. Alright, let's get out of root here. Log out. Eric is here. And now I have another xfce policy git error. Why is that? xbps, was that? Install git. Let's see what that is. Fail to lock. Okay. Arrow up works now. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Right, so it's already installed. I'm gonna put you here. How about xfce polygit agent error? I don't know, and it's actually none of my business. So new fetch is already installed. Yeah, I know. I just do want to do new fetch. Voila. It's strange that termite is not there. xbps. Now I can use my stuff. Termite. Let's try it again. Failed to lock. I suppose it wants to be sudo. Command not found. What else is there? There are lots of other things, right? S terminals. GNOME terminal is a bit strange. Yakuwake, Alacrity. Let's try Alacrity. That's there. Hey, I have to set everything again. My menu is again up here. Settings, accessories, graphics, internet system maybe. There you are. Alacrity. And I'm using Alacrity now as terminal. Another look. Colors, more or less. Well, yellow and green. I mean, it's definitely another look. What else can I do? I think it's almost time to go for food. So I'm just playing around till my wife yells, Eric, food. This is also actually a good idea. To have the length a little bit smaller, but automatically increase the length. But what it's not doing is make it centralized, which is actually quite beautiful. So lock panel. Don't resave. Is this one? No. Number of rows, length. So this is smaller and bigger. Actually a good idea to do that, but panel 2 has to go again. My smiley is gone again. So is my whisker menu. Alright, redo. Panel, add panel. Just type it. It's here. It's moved. Now, here. This needs to go. Remove. Voila. And again, we have something different. Let's take this. I wanted to take the servant icons, but I've not. Oh yeah, I installed Sardi icons on another folder, right? In root. So I don't have anything here. Let's see if I can get there. I wonder if I can be, well, root, right mouse click, open terminal here. That's the only thing I can do. Can't open Thunar as root unless sudo Thunar. Never done that because we have an option to just right mouse click on Article Linux. So I am in home Eric, right? But I should be coming to root and icons. Control X or Control C. And now I should go here. Gonna be strange, I think. Control H, Control V. Wanna skip things? Why, yes to all, I guess. So I can't do it. Is that it? You're saying I can't do this. Error opening, permission denied. You want to skip it. Cancel. How about creating a folder, .icons, and then getting these things in. Yes to all, so no fun for me. The download is probably already down and already deleted. I'm always a clean guy. Let's see. Download, download, download. There you are. Zip file is gone. Well, I'm not gonna download these icons again. We can do this. I would think I could do it either way. And then with this, right? And so on. Right. It has been fun, Void Linux. But, oh, that's the other one. So this is this one. And if I click here, was it? Then I click here. This is the one I'm currently on, right? Article Linux 1. And boom, was a bit tricky there. So, there you go. Video is already much too long. But yeah, the theme here, the bar here, it doesn't go to the middle. Is strange. The panel properties maybe. Try expand. No, transparent is good for me. For some reason, he's not setting the panel in the middle. And when we do it, that will work. Some of the settings maybe. Okay, so this is the normal look. I'm looking for something that I can't seem to do here. So I'm curious can I do this then on Arch Linux? Whoa, nice wallpaper. So can I change my panel preferences so that I make this like this? Oh, it doesn't change anymore. Yeah, things change, right? I guess it's not possible anymore. Span monitors. We used to have this in the middle. I guess we can't actually drag it in the middle or something like that. Too bad. Too bad. Maybe someone finds it, figures it out. We used to be able to have a smaller panel and it was nicely put in the middle, which was actually beautiful for well, to look at and have a screenshot. Maybe it's still possible, but maybe not in here with these settings, but more into files or settings somewhere. That's for later. Alright guys, that's my Void Linux travels. I learned a little bit. It was years ago. How many years ago did I... How long ago was it that I visited Void Linux? It has been a while. Control find Void. Hey, it's not in here. Control find Voids. Nope. Well, I'll add it now, because I did visit Void at some point in time and tested the icons on there, but no. Voila, I'll add it to the list, and that will be 105 distribution, or ISO number 105. All right, cheers guys.